Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today, we will add patterns to our mandala grid. If you are a beginner, you must have a black gel pen. So, let's start with the smallest circle and draw outlines like this. Then draw heart-shaped patterns like this. Now cover the blank spaces with these hatches. You can add patterns of your choice, like I am adding triangular patterns. Our only aim is to fill the blank spaces of the grid. Now cover the blank spaces with these little details. So we are done with the smallest circle. In the second circle, we have labeled intersections. Find the pentagons and draw outlines. Add minor details in all the pentagons. Again, add patterns of your choice. Fill the left out spaces with leaf patterns. We have moved to the third circle. Start adding patterns in it. Draw triangles and add little details. Add floral patterns in the blank spaces. Repeat the same pattern in every left out space. Add another floral patterns to fill the circle. Fill it with cross hatches. Now fill the little semicircles with triangular patterns. Let's move to the fourth circle and again try to add patterns of your choice. Draw a pentagon and fill it with floral design. Add more details to completely fill the circle. We have almost finished our work and reached the last circle. Now fill it with your own patterns. Erase to remove any pencil mark. Shoot your artwork in a good location to give it a finishing touch. I hope you learned something from the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more updates.